Have you ever seen such a beautiful cast iron bead? If you use it to make a big horse and cut it 50 times, how beautiful will the pattern on its surface be? After putting the raw material into the big horse iron can, weld it. After the welding is completed, put it in the furnace and burn it. Then use a liquid pressure machine to break down the big horse can that has been burned red. The sound of this breakdown is simply heavenly. After the processing is completed, it will be decased and processed. The old rule is to burn it red and sprinkle it with sand, then start the second liquid pressure processing. Now it is to cut the made steel into 2 pieces. Then stack them with high carbon steel. After making a new steel, it is now the beginning of the 50 cut forging. After burning it red, use a liquid pressure machine to break down the shape of the suitable cutting knife. Then fix the steel to the front of the tail, use the equipment to turn. Such a turning operation can make the finished big horse pattern more beautiful and exquisite. If it weren't for the recent tight hands, the owner would like to go to the scene to take a look. After processing, use a grinding machine to cut out the shape of the 50 cut directly. Then use a sandbag machine to grind out the blade. Then make a fire to increase the hardness of the knife, then use sandpaper to polish the surface of the oxidation layer. Then simply clean it. Finally, install the other accessories of the 50 cut. It's very handsome when it's assembled. Especially the big horse pattern on its surface. It makes the knife collector love it.